Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to open up an MP3 file in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it up, and after opening it, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application where you can find all the instruments that we can use for playing, like the keyboard, we have our drums, we can plug in a guitar or bass and so on, and we can get started with the audio recorder. So guys, let's say that we have an MP3 file on our phone that we want to import into GarageBand and start editing it. This is how to do it. You can open up any of the modes right here. It's going to work the same. I'm just going to open up the audio recorder to show you how it works, and basically after opening up your audio recorder, it will be greeted by this main page right here. Is going to look the same mostly for every instrument, because at the top left of the screen is the button that we need to get started adding the MP3 files. We want to open up this edit mixing mode. That's going to open up by clicking the button in the upper left corner, and now we will be able to see all of our tracks that we can use right here. And now you can get started with adding our MP3 files. So in the upper right corner is now going to appear a button that's going to enable us to get started with importing files. So you can go ahead and open it up, and now guys, as you can see, under the file section, we'll be able to find the browse items from the files app. So here you can go ahead and click on browse items from the files app, and this is now going to enable us to go ahead and select the MP3 file that we want to use. So you can see here we have some MP3s that you want to go ahead and click to add, and after clicking on them, they are going to appear right here. Now you can go ahead and click on them and drag them and drop them into your mixing studio right here and get started with adding effects and doing whatever you want and creating your music. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.